Long gone are the days when you could make thousands of dollars a day by just advertising a bunch of pictures through Facebook ads. Nowadays, you need to have good video ads, otherwise the viewers won't pay attention to your product because the attention span of people is too short. So today I'm going to show you a website that you can use to order your video ad creatives, which I myself use for some of my stores. The name of the website is Viral Ecom Adz. Now there are very high chances that you might have already heard about them as they are pretty popular in the dropshipping business. They have been providing high quality video ads to dropshippers for years now. I myself have been using them from the very beginning and their quality have always been good. They provide three types of video ads. First one is the normal video about the features of the product. Second one is UGC or user generated content ads, in which a user would be sharing their experience with the product. And the third one is the animation video ads, which will simply have animations instead of real human beings. I have always got the best results with the UGC ads for my stores, but it is not the case that UGC ads would work with every product. For some products, normal video ads performs the best. Now let me show you an example of a UGC ad. Now let's talk about the pricing and how you can get flat 15% off. So first of all, if we talk about the normal video ads, the single ad will cost you $40 and the split testing ads with 3 and 4 variants will cost you $50 and $60 respectively. You can get flat 15% off on all the packages of this website using the code D15. Now if we see the pricing for UGC ads, they range from $120 for a single ad and $300 for 3 variations package for both Facebook and TikTok. And finally, the animation videos cost you $80 each. My favorite feature of this website is the VIP members program, where you can get up to 75% off on all your dropshipping video ads and 30% off on UGC ads, along with 24 hours fast delivery and priority email support. You can get all these perks in the VIP membership program by just paying $50 a month. That's all. Now let me show you how to actually place an order with them. First of all, select the package you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy this single ad package. So I'll simply click on it, then click on buy it now, which will take me to this payments page where I will fill in my email address and payment details, and in the discount section I'll write D15, which will decrease the price by 15%. Now just click on pay now and your order will be placed. I hope the video is helpful. That's it for the video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.